meets community.
And fruit with no artificial preservatives or fillers. Try Dr. Marty risk-free. Go to drmartypets.com/TV.
Currently in our area, 40 degrees with showers in the area. Today, occasional rain, high 42. Chance of rain, 80%. Tonight, cloudy skies with late night snow showers, low 31. Chance of snow, 60%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, high 48. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Free TV starts with Local Now. With hundreds of free TV channels.
We've got some breaking news to get to.
These are the big cases that everyone is talking about.
Local news in hundreds of cities.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us here on NBC6.
And thousands of movies and shows.
Hold them as long as you can.
It's time to do free differently. Local Now, free TV that starts in your city.
Feast your eyes on this.